Working with AWS in itself is easy. There's no complexity, but at my level, it just works. There are huge benefits to working with AWS, and I would implore anyone to consider it in their architectural plans. My name's Andy Sutton. I'm the founder and chief executive of ClicThat in the UK. ClicThat's an e-commerce company, but it's an e-commerce company with a difference. We use a new concept which we like to call collaborative auctions. Everyone understands a normal auction where people bid against each other and drive the price up, and there ends up being one winner who pays the most. That's great, but I've always thought, well, actually there's a big missed opportunity there, because for every one winner you have, there are any number of people who are ready to buy, hands in their pocket, but we haven't been able to sell to them. ClicThat effectively addresses that lost market. We engage with consumers, we ask them what they would like to pay for products, we aggregate demand, and then we give the retailer the luxury of selecting their price points based on the volume of that demand. Our customers are UK retail consumers. We're working specifically with Barclays customers at the moment. And on the other side of the equation, we work very closely with suppliers who provide product into the platform. My team has lots of different functions. So I have a core operational team that runs the platform on a day-to-day basis. I will then have a customer service team that handles obviously all the customer queries that come in, and we have a marketing capability as well. About 12 months ago, we were evaluating the architecture with which we were going to take the platform live in conjunction with Barclays. And up until that point, we'd gone down more of a traditional architecture type route, and we started to see the limitations of that in terms of scalability. But then we thought, well, actually, we should really be exploring a cloud-based solution to do this. The costs for doing it through a cloud-based environment were probably around about 30% of what they would have been through a traditional architecture. We use EC2 as the core of the platform, and that gives us the flexible scalability that is absolutely essential to the operation. Then we use S3 for really important things like images and videos to make sure that we can stream those efficiently, effectively, quickly. We then use the greatly named Route 53 for our RDS routing, and that makes sure that everything is routed effectively to the right part of the architecture. We're a technology business that is underpinned by AWS. So everything that we bring to market is fundamentally reliant on AWS. So it sits right at the heart of what we do. The AWS support team, of course, are very happy to answer all the technical questions that my guys bring to them through the development and the support process. But it doesn't stop there. And the thing that my guys really welcome is the proactive nature of AWS support. It's really powerful and it really helps us. When I look at what AWS is doing for the back end of the market, the infrastructure market, it's doing exactly the same thing. It simplifies things for the businesses that deploy it. And what does that mean to me? It means I don't have to worry about things. We can focus on growing our business, making ClicThat a success, rather than the nuts and bolts that are sitting behind it.